So I'm in Bangkok right now, and this city activates me like no other. I don't know if you have a specific place that does this too, but every time I come here, I'm just activated on a deeper level and on another level. Like the last time I was here, I had the craziest dating experiences. Like that deserves a video on its own. And before that, it was where my ex and I saw each other for the last time, and we stopped talking to each other after that trip. And what's crazy is back in 2017, I saw him on a dating app in Bangkok. Like we matched in Bangkok, and then we broke up in Bangkok. So that was kind of like a full circle thing for me. But since then, I've been here a few times, and every time I come here, it's almost like I get revelations about my life, or I learn something about myself. And it's really interesting. But this time around being here, I realized that I actually do want to be in a relationship. I've been single for a few years now, and I was so content. I am content being on my own. I'm so comfortable being single, and I still feel the same, of course, but I don't know why. But recently I just had this feeling that I really do want to meet someone, and I do want to share my life with someone. And I think that realization is still super uncomfortable for me because I'm just so used to doing things alone that the thought of letting someone back into my life feels terrifying. So I am still sitting with this and making sense of this, but I just want to know if there's any place in the world that does this for you. It's almost like a karmic place, because every time you're there, another layer of you gets peeled off and it's exposed, and you're forced to face that with vulnerability. That place is Bangkok for me. I love it here. It's beautiful. The people are amazing. The food is great, but it never fails to expose me to my shadows and wounds. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what your place is, and if you even know what I'm talking about.